Ever wondered how to tell if your well water is contaminated? Well, it's crucial to know the signs, as contaminated well water can lead to a plethora of health issues, ranging from minor irritations to severe illnesses. First off, look out for changes in the water's color. Contaminated water often discolors to a brown, red, orange, or even greenish hue. This is typically due to the presence of iron, manganese, or algae. So if your usually clear well water suddenly resembles a modern art painting, it's time to investigate. Next, pay attention to the taste and smell. Clean water should taste pure and have no detectable odor. However, in the case of contamination, you might notice a metallic or salty taste, or even an unpleasant scent reminiscent of rotten eggs. This could indicate the presence of harmful chemicals or bacteria. Third, take note of any sediment or particles floating in the water. Pure well water should be free of any foreign substances. If you spot sand, silt, or other particles, it may be a sign of a damaged well casing or a problem with the well screen. Another sign to watch out for is a sudden change in water pressure. If you're experiencing lower than usual water pressure, it could mean that there's a buildup of minerals or bacteria in your well, which can lead to contamination. Last but certainly not least, if you or anyone in your household starts experiencing recurring stomach issues or skin irritations, it could be a sign that your well water is contaminated. These health problems are often a result of consuming or using water with harmful bacteria or chemicals. So, to recap, the signs of well water contamination include changes in water color, unusual taste or smell, the presence of sediment, changes in water pressure, and recurring health issues. Recognizing these signs early on can help to prevent serious health problems and ensure that your well water is safe to use. Understanding these signs of contamination is of paramount importance. Not only does it affect your health, but it also impacts the overall quality of your life. So always keep an eye out for these signs and take immediate action if you suspect any contamination. By doing so, you're not just ensuring the safety of your own health, but also the well-being of your loved ones. Remember, when it comes to well water, clarity is indeed quality.